There is magic everywhere. If you learn how to live it, life is nothing short of a daily miracle. While those who are lost in the nonsensical manifestations of their own mind have other things to say about life, when your psychological reality becomes bigger than the existential, you miss the whole miracle of this existence. When your shadow becomes more important than yourself, then you cannot control the shadow, you cannot define the shadow, because that's the nature of the shadow. Right now, your psychological reality is just the shadow of life. When you mistake the shadow of life to life itself, then you're naturally out of control. The question is only when it goes totally off the rails. If you pay attention to life, it does not matter what your thoughts and emotions speak, just pay attention to life. The color of the peacock feather, the intricacy of it, the complexity with which even a simple insect is built. Look at a grasshopper, the complexity of what it is. Well, a leaf, a flower, a mountain, the ocean, the sky, and the limitless number of galaxies out there. If you pay attention to this, every moment of your life is a miraculous experience. But what petty things that you have created in your mind have become far more important than the whole grand creation. Well, once you make such a folly, unfortunately, life becomes either very mundane, dry, or miserable, or it takes you completely down to a place where even living, just being alive, which is most precious, is not worth it anymore. Do not do this to yourself. This magic, this miracle is on. You yourself are a part of it. It's for you to experience it.